my name is Allison and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me surprising my boyfriend with a Louis Vuitton wallet, and this is going to show the process of how I chose which wallet I was going to go with. So if you'd like to see that, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so on the Louis Vuitton website, I looked up men's wallets. There's like a lot of options, 200 options or something like that, something crazy. And I went through the whole list and I'm wondering, like, my boyfriend likes just a simple square wallet. He has a YSL one at the moment, but it is a little beaten up and I feel like he really needs to get an upgraded version one. He lost his other wallet about 3 years ago, and I figured that I would go ahead and gift him a new one because he has probably been wanting one and he never got himself one for whatever reason. So I'm happy that I'm able to gift that to him. I'm going back to what's on the website. On the website, there's a lot of different options. There's the big ones, the little ones, just a whole range. You can go ahead and look at them. But two different wallet layouts that I liked and that I believe that he would like is being one, the multiple wallet, and the second one being the slender wallet. The difference between them is the type of pockets inside of it, or compartments, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it. So the multiple wallet has 2 business card holders, 2 bill slots, and 4 card slots, I believe. And the slender one has 1 bill slot and 8 different card slots. And right now at the moment, my boyfriend has one that has 8 card slots. I will go ahead and insert pictures of those 2 different wallets, comparing them side by side. That way you guys know what I'm talking about. As for the design, he used to have the damier, however you say it, style of wallet, and that is the main type of style that he likes. The 2 that I really liked and that I was interested in purchasing for him were the slender wallet in Graphite, the damier Graphite canvas, and the second one was the multiple wallet in damier infinity leather. What really helped me pick was the type of material they both were, one being canvas, the other being leather. I believe his previous wallet was canvas, so it looked identical to his old one that I had seen. I wanted to surprise him with something a little bit better because I know that leather lasts longer than the canvas and it's better quality. It is more expensive, but it's worth the investment. So we'll see if he likes it. The canvas one comes with different colors. The inside of that specific wallet, the difference is the graphite, and another one comes in blue. And then as for the leather, I'm not sure if there's different designs, but that one's all black. So I went ahead and went with the damier infinity leather. I really hope that my boyfriend likes them. I really hope that he enjoys it as much as I did looking at it because it looks really pretty. I express shipped it, so it's supposed to get here tomorrow actually. I clicked overnight shipping, I think, because I am getting close to the holidays and we are supposed to go on vacation for the holidays, so we won't be here. So we're gonna be opening presents between us 2 before we leave for holiday. It gets here tomorrow, so fingers crossed he doesn't see it and I'm able to wrap it and hide it from him, and then wait until we exchange gifts. And you guys will see here in a little bit if he liked it or if he didn't. He may or may not be in this video. I might record him unpackaging it, but I'm not really sure because I don't think he's very fond of getting recorded. But let's see. Hey, it's me again. It is the following day, Wednesday, and the package came in the mail today. My boyfriend, I think he saw it. He was here when it got delivered. I tried to hide it behind another package, so I'm not really sure, but he didn't question it and he hopefully forgot about it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and get it wrapped, and then I guess he'll open it on Christmas. Okay, so I have scissors here. So this is what the boxing looks like. I didn't know. This is what the box looks like. It's a little mailman, Louis Vuitton, and the presentation was kind of shifted already, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Yeah, I can't open this. I don't want to open it and ruin it because it has a little ribbon and stuff and it's just perfect for him. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it. And I'm going to just put everything back in the box and let him open it like this because I don't want to ruin it. This is like a total experience for him. So, well, for me too, but it's his present. Okay, so that is what it's actually supposed to look like. It did not look like that when I opened it. It was all like all over the place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. I don't want to ruin the presentation because it's just so cute. And I know that he'll be shocked when he opens it. So let's go ahead and wrap it. There's this wrapping paper that has a ton of glitter. It has a lot of glitter and I don't really like glitter, but it has gnomes on it, which is his favorite. So I figured I would use it, especially for this because it's kind of special. That looks like enough paper. I'm gonna use my fluffy to hold it down. Not the best at wrapping. Sometimes they come out pretty good, other times not so much, but I'm doing my best and that's all that matters, right? But I'm not trying for perfection. Okay, I'm done wrapping it. That took a lot longer than expected. This wrapping paper was very hard to deal with, so it's not my best work, but it is what it is. Whatever, it's okay, it's gonna get ripped up anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and hide it under the tree, and then you'll see me in a few seconds, either with the wallet in my hand and me showcasing it to you, or maybe my boyfriend opening it if he allows me to record him. So, we'll see. I really hope that he likes it, and I can't wait to see it for myself. It's me again. It has been a few weeks since I last wrapped the gift and gifted it to him. I did gift it to him before Christmas because we were away for the holidays. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll go ahead and show you what the wallet looks like. So I was able to record him opening up the gift. He was very surprised, happy, and shocked about it. Unfortunately, he does not want to be on YouTube, so I won't be adding that clip in. Instead, I will be opening this up again. He was able to keep the ribbon intact, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the little ribbon. I'm not really sure how to remove it, like neatly. Okay. I got the ribbon off. Now let's open it up. Pure like gluey experience with the little baggie. This is what it looks like. The day that he opened it, I barely saw it. I only saw it for like a few seconds and then he put it away and then it was like a whole moment between us. But this is very impressive. It has like the good leather smell. It feels very stiff. And it feels like it would last a long time. As expected, it has the 2 business card holders, 2 money slots, and then 3 card holders. And then there is like the little compartments here on the side. These are the little tags to prove its authenticity on it, I believe, but it says interior and exterior are vachetta leather. It feels really smooth on the skin. It doesn't seem as if it'll be so thick in your pocket either. It feels just like a standard size wallet. I would be really excited if I got this, honestly, because it is just so beautiful. I'm super excited that he enjoyed it and that he liked it as much as I thought he would. I can't wait for him to use this wallet and get his older one out because this just looks more sleek and it fits him more than his other wallet, I believe, just in my opinion. Again, I am so happy that I am privileged enough to gift this to him. I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. That way I could gift him much, much more because he deserves the world and more. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the wallet, or let me know which wallet you prefer. Subscribe down below if you'd like to see more videos from me, and drop a like if you enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Bye.
Repeating, we're not in Kansas anymore.